What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again, we're here at SeaWorld Orlando for a 2023 roller coaster project known as High Surf. And we're going to be checking up and seeing what's new with it. Let's go! Well, parking was a breeze. Not many people up here at the front entrance, and we'll be right on in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Still boiling in Florida. But we do have a storm system coming in next week, sometime around Tuesday or Wednesday. So hopefully that doesn't affect the progress of the coaster build too much. As you guys already know, we've been visiting almost daily. Was here yesterday and saw one new segment of station track was in. And when I was walking in, I didn't happen to see any new track placement, but crews are really busy on the foundations. We're headed to Sky Tower to get a better view though. Sky Tower, we have arrived. It's in operation too. Yay! And I'm getting a Zen ride. Out of all the hundreds of times that I've done this, I don't think I've ever had it where I'm by myself.
More than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, and help animals in need of our care. Always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove,
Alright, for those of you that are really interested in the fountain update, well, here you go. It's not pulsing anymore. So maybe somebody watches our videos. If they do, and they fix this, I appreciate that. I don't know, maybe it's just me and I'm seeing things, but I think this is new. I don't remember seeing this in previous updates, and I also definitely know for a fact that I never saw this guy over here. Yes, the bridge. And think how many hours I'm going to be spending in this spot right here. Good views of the construction though. Again, crews are doing all sorts of work. I think they're doing some checks on the launch foundations over here. We saw them doing concrete for the turnaround. That's good. There's not as many people on the site today, however, but a lot of focus is over at the station and over in this area for the turnaround. Looks like we're doing some last-minute laser checks on the foundations for the launch area. That's a good thing. Hopefully we have launch track in tomorrow. One good thing to note is I do see some supports on the ground, and I think these are going to be for the launch. In other news, the hotel across the way, the Renaissance, well, the sign has been taken down. Absolute long shot on this one, but how awesome would that be if the hotel got bought out by SeaWorld and that became a resort hotel? Hello, fishy. What should I name you? Are you a surf's up fish? A high surf fish? I don't know. We gotta name you something. Well, those were some cool views. And again, looks like supports are on site over near the station and launch area. So fingers crossed, tomorrow we'll start putting it in. Rubber bloops. Love them.
Hey, do that thing to turn on, they'll make a girl flip.
Manta. Pink chickens. How you doing, lovelies? Looks like a great day for a swim. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for the 2023 roller coaster project known as High Surf. And guess what? Next week, we should be getting some sort of announcement officially, all the stats, all the details, and a better look at those train designs. I'm very excited. As far as the construction site, well, supports are there for the launch area, and all of the track is ready in the storage lot. So hopefully tomorrow, Friday, is the day, and we'll start putting that in. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.